welcome back to Woodruff Woods. Hey, today I'm headed down the Turnpike, Pennsylvania Turnpike, and I'm going to see Iron and Oak today. If you know that channel, you've probably seen Chuck and Deb. We're going to get a chance to run their wood miser. We're going to be running chainsaws, doing all kinds of fun stuff. But that's not today's video. That'll be coming up in a couple of days. In today's video, my dad had some storm damage at his place. So Lisa and I went up there and helped him clean some of that up, and he had a bunch of limbs that broke off, a couple trees down, and even though I mentioned that there's black walnut, we didn't get to cutting that in this video. You'll see me cutting black locust and cherry, and I actually removed a maple tree that kind of split and fell over. So I'm gonna head down here. Meeting up with, as I mentioned, Iron and Oak, firewood at the furnace, Brad, and outside Rashad, Don Shad. So I know I'm going to have a good day today. I've been real busy with work, real busy traveling. I was in California all this week, and I fly out again tomorrow morning. So, you know, this is my weekend, one day. Great. But anyway, enjoy the video.
How are you, Lee?
Good, how are you?
Being a camera person for Woodruff Woods.
Oh, hey, all right.
So this is Senior Woodruff Woods.
Senior.
Senior Woodruff Woods.
He feels senior.
So I poured a little Miracle Grow in my diesel tank on the 2032R, and you see everything grew up. So we're cutting some black cherry, some black locust, and some black walnut. So I guess it's a Black Saturday. Bye.